Hello everybody, welcome back to the AppGeeker. If your iPhone is unavailable due to repeated attempts with the wrong passcode and it shows iPhone unavailable on the screen, don't panic. This video will show you 3 ways to unlock your iPhone without passcode. Erase iPhone, AppGeeker's iPhone Unlocker, iTunes. First, if you are using iOS 15.2 or later, you can try to unlock your iPhone wirelessly with Erase iPhone. Before you start, please make sure you remember your iPhone ID and password, and that your iPhone should be connected to the internet. When you have tried passcode incorrectly for several times, there will be an option of Erase iPhone in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap it, then an interface of Erase all content and settings will appear. If you have backup on the iCloud, you can restore your content after the process is finished. Then tap Erase iPhone again and follow the prompts to enter the password. When the iPhone is successfully verified, it will automatically reset to original factory settings. This process will take a while. When the erase process is complete, the Hello screen will appear on your iPhone. Just follow the prompts to set up your iPhone and your iPhone will be available again. Then we also can use the AppGeeker's iPhone Unlocker to unlock the iPhone in a few simple steps. First of all, download the AppGeeker's iPhone Unlocker on your computer and open it. I have put the download link at the bottom of the video. Then, select White Passcode and connect your iPhone to the computer. At this point, your iPhone needs to enter recovery mode, and if your device is not recognized, the page will give you instructions on how to enter recovery mode. If your iPhone is an iPhone 8, 10, 10s, 10R, SE, 2 Gen or newer, 11, 12, 13, or newer model, quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and then keep pressing the side button until you see a cable pointing to the computer on the screen, which indicates that your iPhone has entered recovery mode. For iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, you need to press and hold the volume down button and the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6, iPhone 6s or earlier device, you should keep pressing the home button and side button at the same time, then release the button when the recovery mode screen appears. Please make sure that the connection between the device and the computer is normal during the process of putting the iPhone into recovery mode. Next, confirm the device information and click Start, then follow the step to download firmware package. When the download is complete, enter 0000 according to the prompts and click Unlock. The process of unlocking will take some time, so please be patient. After unlocking, all data and settings on your iPhone will be erased, including passcode, and you need to reset your iPhone. Third, we can use iTunes to restore the contents of the iPhone to unlock it. Open iTunes, connect your iPhone to the computer, and set the iPhone to recovery mode. The method for different devices to enter recovery mode has also been mentioned before. When the computer pop-up page shows Restore and Update options, select Restore. And then select Restore and Update in the next pop-up interface. The computer will download and install the latest version of iOS and erase all the contents of your iPhone. If the installation time is too long, your iPhone will exit the recovery mode. You should re-enter recovery mode. Once the process is done, the iPhone will restart as new and back to the Hello screen, and you should follow the prompts to reset your iPhone. You can subscribe to our channel to know more unlock methods. If you have more questions about iPhone unavailable or unlocking iPhone, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.